Today we're moving the front dash speaker from a Chrysler Sebring. This is a 2.5-inch speaker in this location. We're going to start with our pry bar and pry along the edges of the speaker grill. There are several tabs that release with pry pressure, and this will allow you to pull the speaker grill up and set it to the side. We're going to need a Torx T15 to remove two mounting screws for the speaker in the dash here, one on opposite sides. This will allow you to pull the speaker slightly up out of the opening, locate the connector on the side. There is a trigger that you squeeze down in to release the lock, and this will allow you to remove the connector and the speaker. When reinstalling the speaker, there are three tabs on the bottom of the speaker grill. Align these correctly with the openings in the dash. For other help with the Chrysler Sebring, see our website. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.